know, it's WIGMAS and, you know, I'm about to get wrapped up. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by me. I purchased this unit with my own coin. Now it's still WIGMAS, so make sure you guys are checking the pinned comment down below to make sure you enter the giveaway. As always, before I get into the install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Before we get started, let me go ahead and get my face together because I feel a little puffy. So I just want to be a little bit more snatched than what I am. You got the little tools you use on your face. I don't do all that, okay? I freeze a water bottle as it curves into my neck and my chin. See this little dip right there? Use it on my forehead. People say, you know, if you freeze your tools or, you know, put them in the fridge and they're cold, it helps. So I just saved some money, okay? Mine was $1. So today we are installing real quick What Lace GLENNA. This is the color Balayage Mocha. Me and Ken are having a date night once the kids go to bed. So we decided to dress up and be all cute, you know, it's the holidays. We have decided to implement a date night at least once a month. Not to get the spark back, because you know, we got the spark, but more so to reconfirm our love and, you know, romance for each other. Why is this sticking to here? Now I did get this wig in Balayage Caramel as well. Caramel, however you say it. I will show you that one later, but this is Balayage Mocha that we are installing today. Sensational What Lace GLENNA in the Balayage Mocha color. This is the inside of her card. 13x6 ear to ear HD lace with pre-plucked natural density, undetectable flawless hairline, perfect hairline with baby hair along the hairline, glueless with elastic wig band, protective style, no leave out necessary. So all the things. And then it has those special colors right there. This is gonna be a real quick install. Y'all know for synthetic wigs, they come pre-styled, pre-curled, pre-bumped, pre-everything. This is what the color is looking like. It's a brown. And then this is what the hairline is looking like. Pretty decent with that blonde. This is a thick, silky unit, okay? So I do expect flyaways, tangles, and all that, you know, that comes with that eventually. This is what the inside of the cap is looking like. You get the combs on the side, the elastic band, and the comb in the back with the adjustable straps. Sensational normally runs pretty small on me, so we'll see how this one fits once I get my hair, you know, down. Let me go ahead and do that real quick. Spray some of my As I Am. Ken is going to grease my scalp again after dinner, so you know. Thank you, baby. Bring this down, wrap it over. I used to do synthetic wigs all the time, and WIGMAS was my favorite time to do them. I remember when they was dropping synthetic wigs like, you know, once a month, and you know, it was exciting. All the wigs looked different. They were dropping new colors. Now I feel a little, you know, like it's oversaturated. The hair market is oversaturated with the same looks over and over, just different names, and I feel like they bring back older wigs and then rename them like we wasn't here 5 years ago. That's why I haven't really been excited about a lot of synthetic wigs lately, because it's just the same one over and over. But I can see the same thing for, you know, human hair wigs. It's all oversaturated. It's kind of like just get in where your pockets fit in, whatever's exciting to you. You know, I'm here for it. Anyway, I'm using my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder, any color, creamy bronze, and I'm going to tint my lace. Kenny is in there arguing with them children about them Christmas lists. I can't. Listen, if you don't want to write one, you don't got to write one. Santa can save his coin this year. I don't care. Put that all over. Got the band down. Pull it over. It feels pretty comfortable on my big old head. I can tell after a while that band will start to tighten. Hold on, my nail is snagged. I removed my press-ons today so I can get ready for my new set. I didn't file them as good as I thought I did. Okay, let's pin it up. Ooh, that'll be cute. Let's get my ear tabs off. Perfect fit around my ear. I don't know how I just did that, but it was in the dark. I went by faith and feel. Do I need to pluck anything? I hope not, because I really don't feel like it. He could be better, for sure. Just pull out some. I don't feel like plucking anything, so I don't want it to be messy. There are some baby hairs on here, so you can use those. It actually doesn't look bad once I pull the hair down. But you know, pulling it back, it looks a little iffy. Pulling just a little bit more, what's the word? Controlled. Use my razor. Cut my lace off. I might not have to spray this down the way this is fitting on my head, but I will use my mousse. Okay, let's go ahead and mold this bad boy down. Ooh, I should have shook it up. Shake it up first. This is taking no time at all. I like that. Brush it down. Is that a bald spot? Okay, let's just work it out. Oh, I probably should wrap it down, shouldn't I? Oops. Use what I already have. Now from this part, it's just brushing, okay? Brushing and styling however you want it. Brush, brush, brush. Getting some snags in there. Again, it's a silkier type of unit. To help with the flyaways and the tangling, I'm gonna use my Simply Stylin' Light Silk Spray. This is perfect for synthetic wigs. My girl Gladys, aka Forever Gladys, or as she was known, Is That Your Hair, put me onto this some years ago. It will also help add some shine back to your lackluster, dull synthetic wigs. And human hair wigs, I've used it on both. It also has a nice like powder smell. It smells really good, so if you don't have any wig perfume, use that bad boy. Keep on combing, get it out. Do I want a side part? I think that's what I want. Ooh, that feels real nice with that spray on it. Thank you. Let's get the band off. Not too shabby. Let me just lift it. You can wear this unit glueless, but I don't want to. So I'm gonna spray mine right here in the front, just kind of hold it in place. Bring it back down. Switch up the hairs a little bit. Blow dry it on cool. I really don't know what happened right there. I do not think that I pulled that much out, but I could have. So where's my little wand? I have my Toppik Fill Me In wand. I had it in black and brown. I bought the brown by accident, but look at me. Not knowing what the future will hold, I'm gonna use a little bit of the brown right here just to fill that in. Fill it in. And then take the top off and use the little sponge to pat that in. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna use a little bit of my foundation, a little drop like that. Put it on a fluffy brush. I'm gonna use that to blend in my lace. There we go. When I step outside, I may need to use my contour depending on how the sun is shining, but you can still use a little bit of contour like that in areas that you feel like are a little ashy, because that'll more than likely happen outside as well. For the spray down, I use the Esha Melt and Slay Ultimate Hold Spray. Look at this. It's holding. That's what we like to see. I also like to see this. That's cute too. Let's get the hair brushed back out. That spray really helped that hair. Ooh, date night about to be a movie. Use my razor, shorten that up a bit. Let me do a little bit more spray right here on this end. Not all synthetic wigs will come out sleek and, you know, no tangles, okay? If you don't have that spray, get that spray. It definitely helps. Part the wig how I want it. This wig is heat safe, I believe. What is it? Yeah, 350 to 400. Oh, look at that, almost done. A little bit, pull back right there. Use a little spray right here in the front. Just right there to hold that part down. But I need it to have like a little bit of shape right there. Brush it forward. Don't want to swoop. Blow dry that on cool. Okay, there we go with that. Comb the rest of the hair. Thicken it up some because it's a little flat. Use my powder in that parting space. Open that up a bit. The hair's a little bit shorter right here, so I can use that. Thicken that up a bit. Put some powder right here in the areas that I want it to be a little bit more open. Use your products, okay? Listen, I'm coming in hot. Are we ready for date night or not? I think so. Now, before you push that button, understand the longevity of this wig depends on how you care for her. It's a silky synthetic, so I gotta make sure I take this off before any type of playtime is had. No hands, no nothing. Don't touch my hair. She look real good stationary. Now, obviously you saw me do the up style, so if you wanna do that, take the little ponytail to the back and just twist it over. Take your claw clip, clip it into place, play with your curls a bit. For the back, clearly you don't want that, so you just bring it down. Make it hug the neck, okay? That's it. Okay, half up, half down, y'all see it. The top of the hair is shorter, so her ponytail looks a little babyish, but you know, do what works for you. And this color is gorgeous. Y'all know that I did that, the Sensational full cap, where's she at? Remember that one that I did on the first day of WIGMAS? I feel like it was the wrong color because the Balayage Mocha, I thought it had a dark root. Look at this, same color, no dark root. It seems like the picture they used for Balayage Mocha was a little, The picture they used on here closely resembles the color. That one right there. What they had on that card for that Dashley unit, no. That's pretty much all I got for y'all because, you know, it's WIGMAS and, you know, I'm about to get wrapped up. So let me go ahead and get up out of here. As always, I will put the direct link for my unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.